Dahil ikaw ang dakila nating
Principal,
ako ay ang
dakilang
student.
Yes.
Ano yung ano ko ba? Yung ano po tayo ngayon, may enhancement. It's not like you're successful and then it ends there. I believe that it's a continuous process. And
Parang work in progress.
Yes, I still have a lot to learn. But yung pinakapangarap ko ay maging artista.
Wow! Okay.
Maging artista. Yan, sinabi ko na maging artista. So, wala nang bashing po.
Oh, guys. Ganda ng outfit ko, di ba? So, ngayon yung buwan ng wika. Hi guys! This is me, Dr. Johan, known as Dr. Y. So alam nyo, nandito ako ngayon sa Weaves and Bows. So itong outfit ko ngayon, dahil linggo ng wika or buwan ng wika, talagang sinuot ko, di ba? Kahit mainit, mukha ba akong kagalang-galang? Ako ba ay si Miss Minchin? Or pangalawang Pangulo ng Pilipinas? Well, well, well! So I'm excited again. Ito na yung aking next guest. Well, I love this lady. Because why? Because she has a lot of creativity, artistry, all in one. So guys, I would like to meet you, my next guest for this episode's Dr. Y Skin Talks. See you guys! Ay guys, mali dito pala. See you guys! Okay, let's go! Come here! So, hi guys! I'm here already. So, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng location natin. Siyempre, because very, very important or very special itong next guest ko. O, di ba nakita nyo, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kagalang-galang ako ngayon. Well, 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 I think she was the one who made this creation, especially nowadays na dapat maging makabayan tayo. Hindi ko nga alam kung ako si pangalawang Pangulo or si Miss Minchin or yung principal sa school. Oo. But anyway, my next guest, I love her so much. She has been a good friend of mine. Okay. So, I would like to meet the owner of True Love as well as the owner of Weaves and Bows. So, I would like to welcome Miss Coke Yango. Yay! Hi, Ate Coke! At last.
At last.
Naging guest din kita. And you know, ginamit ko na rin yung creation mo. Oo, yes, diba? Oo. At saka ikaw, ano naman ang peg natin?
At dahil ikaw ang dakila nating
Principal,
ako ay ang
dakilang
student.
Yes, tingnan mo yung mga Gen Z student natin. Oo. So, Ate Coke, I welcome you to the 4th episode of Dr. Y Skin Talks. Oo. Yay! Currently, guys, nandito tayo sa True Love. So, in-accommodate tayo ni Ate Coke. Oo. So, Ate Coke, how are you for the past few days? Kasi, nag-mega vacation ka talaga sa States. Oo. So, how was it? Kanto ka muna. Oo.
Hello, Doc. It's been a while na miss kita.
Parang may something new.
Oh, yes.
Oo. What's new?
Wala,
Aside from the student outfit, the Gen Z look.
Yeah, Gen Z muna tayo pa iba. Kasi lagi tayong serious.
Oo.
So, dapat playful for now.
Yes.
Na-miss kita, Doc. It's been a while. So, I'm so happy to be here. And I want to congratulate you on your talk show.
Wow! Dr. Y Skin Talks yan,
Yes.
guys. Pero actually, we don't tackle only on skincare, but also on mga successful stories.
Exactly.
Or yun yung mga nagbibigay sa atin ng mga inspiration on a daily
True.
basis. Oo.
Napaka-informative and very helpful na mga napapanood ko kahit
Yes.
nasa labas ako.
Oo. So ngayon, tingnan mo, ko ngayon kagalang-galang, I have the flower in front. Oo.
Yes.
Yun.
It's our Yumungus flower.
Yes. Can you tell me about this creation, Ate
Okay,
Ko?
so basically, alam mo naman na ang Waves and Bows is
Yes.
all about kaftans and summer wear. But we decided just recently to, a little bit evolve into something na very
Yes.
malapit sa puso ko. Siyempre, yung tradition natin, yung culture. And that's why we came up with the Modern Filipiniana.
Yes. So alam nyo guys, very makabayan in time for the buwan ng wika.
Yes.
This August.
Yes.
Talagang ako nag-prepare. Buwan ng wika.
Buwan ng wika.
Oo. Going back. So how was your vacation?
Oh, ito was more of a, yung parang outlet natin.
Yes.
Sobrang nag-work tayo. So from time to time,
Oo.
kailangan din natin lumabas. And more importantly, it was a gift for our son who's going to college.
Wow. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Brad.
you.
Oo. So Ate Ko, parang may bago nga sa'yo. Ano yung bago?
Yes, hulaan mo.
Straight hair?
Yes,
Oo. Ano pa ba?
Kapalang hair.
Siyempre, naka-student look.
Naka-student?
Naka-student look. Oo. So, spill it out.
Ano
Oo.
yung ko ba? Yung hair.
Oo.
Nakaano po tayo ngayon, may enhancement. Alam mo naman,
Yes.
pag tumatanda
Tanda.
tayo, kumakapal yung
Manipis yung hair.
Nipis yung hair. Kumakapal yung ibang bagay.
Oo.
Luminipis ang
ang buhok. So, that's why meron tayong mga hair
Hair
extensions.
extensions. So,
I
kailangan tayo
love it. You look youthful.
Thank you.
So, that is the new student.
That is the student look, and this is my student haircut
Haircut.
back in high school.
Wow! So, nothing has changed through the
Yes.
years. Oo. So, may tatanong din ako. So, how did we meet and know each other well?
Alam mo, Doc, namimit ko. Si Doc, napaka-foodie.
Ay, oo.
Foodie.
It shows in my
Oh,
body.
very, very, to si Doc, very popular. Aside from you being very popular in Tacloban,
Ay, hindi
because you're the
naman.
daughter
Oo.
of a salon magnate in Tacloban. So
Yes.
aside from that, nakilala kita
Mani
personally.
talaga.
Oo. Nakilala kita dahil you were here at Chulab nung bago pala kaming bukas.
Yes, oo.
So kumakain kayo dito, ni Boss Rex,
Oo.
at doon tayo nag-meet.
Hindi. Yung din, CYJ Club.
Ay, hindi. After na yun.
After na ba yun?
After na yun.
Oo.
Kasi nung after tayo nag-meet dito, na kumakain kayo lagi
Oo.
dito before you got married.
Yes.
So,
Oo.
nag-usap na tayo about your Youth Plus Skin and Laser
Oo.
Center.
So, nung nagdi-date
And then,
pala.
yeah, date. Tapos, you invited me to try your machines.
Oo, yes.
Ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos, after that, naging friends na tayo. Kinuha mo ako ng ambassador.
Ambassador, oo. So actually, si Ate Coke ay one of the longest ambassador of Youth Plus.
Okay, kami yung pinakauna.
Original
Oh,
pala.
diba?
Original.
Senior
Oo,
citizen.
Hindi naman, pero remained youthful as
Because of youth
always. Oo.
Oo.
So, yon.
And then, yung CYG na club,
Oo,
meron
yes.
tayong isang friend who's a jeweler
Yes.
na gumagawa ng custom jewelry.
Oh, hello, Daniel.
Hi, Daniel!
My cousin. Oo.
Kasi gumagawa siya ng mga custom na mga
Customized jewelry.
So, gumawa tayo ng initials
Oo,
natin.
initials natin na.
Yes.
Yun nga, CYG.
CYG.
YKL. So, yun na yun. YKL, oo.
Yes.
So, nandun yun sa jewelry namin na Quintas.
So, yun na yun,
Oo. So, yun na. So, dun kami nagkikita-kita actually
Oo.
while eating at Chulab and also looking at those different
Jewelries.
bling-bling in our eyes. So,
Ayan.
syempre, humahaba na naman yung listahan namin ng, alam mo yun?
Bayarin.
Bayarin.
Kaya kailangan magtrabaho.
Kailangan mag-work,
Kailangan-
work.
Kaya nag-work dahil sa
Yes, oh. That's why I admire Ate Ko kasi very, very industrious. But at the same time, I love her creativity, artistry. Ngayon pa lang talaga ako nakakita ng tao na super yung art, yung innate yung pagiging artistic. But I was told by my mom na yung traits na yon galing sa mama mo.
Yes.
Actually.
Actually, si mom ko talaga, siya yung talagang supporter ko. Siya
Oo.
din yung mahilig sa mga arts and crafts, designing.
Yes.
So, nakuha ko siguro sa kanya talaga.
Oo.
Love ko for
Very artistic. Kaya tingnan nyo yung Chulab. Ang ganda. Very we love yung beauty talaga nandun.
Thank
Oo.
you.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, mahilig din kasi ako sa mga colorful, printed. Si Rex, nagagalit yan pag nagka-colorful or printed ako. Gusto niya plain. I should be classic daw. Eh sabi ko, hindi naman ganun yung personality ko. Gusto ko yung yun yung colorful. I love also being colorful. Masayahin.
Kaya tayo nagkakasundo.
Ayoko nung medyo boring.
Kaya tayo nagkakasundo.
Iba siguro yung taste ng lalaki sa babae.
Kaya tayo nagkakasundo yun.
Kasi ang maganda din sa classic, kahit ulit-ulitin mo yung damit.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi kung black or white, yan, pwede mo siyang, ulit-ulitin, hindi nahahalata.
Hindi nahalata nag-ulit-ulit.
Oo. Unlike yung printed, mahalata. Pero yun naman, we love shopping, that's why.
And it's a reason to shop. Pagka nakita na lahat ng mga damit.
Yes, oo. So now, mag-start na ako kay Ate Coke.
Okay.
Oo. Ate Coke, sobrang successful ka na ngayon. Pero balik tayo sa simula. How did you start from your humble beginnings? Oo. Kasi di ba you started with Chulab and then nagkaroon ka na ng Weaves and Bows. So what's the story behind it?
Alam mo, Doc, hindi naman ako super successful ha. Kasi ako, I believe na success is a continuous process.
Yes.
It's not a state na nag-e-end. So it's not like you're successful and then it ends there. I believe that it's a continuous process. And
Parang work in progress.
Yes, I still have a lot to learn. Alam mo yon. But I am blessed to be able to do what I love and earn out of it.
Wow!
Yes.
Yun. Turning passion into business or
into
profits.
Yeah, turning passion.
So passion with a purpose.
Yeah, passion with a purpose. And I was not born with a silver spoon. Tama ba?
Yes. Or silver platter.
Ikaw na naman. Mamaya
Platter.
tayo.
Yes lang ako. Platter, hindi silver.
I wasn't born with a silver spoon.
Pareho tayo.
My dad was a banker, my mom a nurse, but they made sure that we have everything that we need and some of the things that we want. So they made sure that we live a comfortable life. Parang siguro yun ang inspiration ko to dream because I wanted to top off kung ano yung binigay ng parents ko.
Yes. Tama yun. So parang dito naman sa province, hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. So we live comfortably. Pero meron pa palang mas bongga din.
Of course.
So syempre, nung mga bata tayo, di mo tayo makatravel.
Yes, wala namang travel.
So ngayon, kasama na yung live comfortably, meron pang pa-travel.
Yes, may mga pasobra na. Kasi syempre, lalo na tayo, we love beautiful things.
Yes.
We love to see the world. So, kailangan natin i-top off yung mga binigay ng parents natin.
Yes.
Para makapag-travel.
Yes.
Na ngayon.
And enjoy a little bit what's in store of life.
Exactly.
So
that's why we are working because we want to enjoy life.
Yes.
And be able to help as well.
Yeah, wow. Umpisa pa lang yan, ha? Oo. So, next. Okay, wait pa lang.
Yung bangs ko, chine-check ko. Okay pa bang bangs ko?
Oo.
Arian.
Ate Coke,
Okay,
so my next question would be, wow, lahat ng successful na tao, nahirapan ako kasi puro Tagalog, pero kailangan may Tagalog, ay may pangarap or long-time dream na nag-fuel to each and every one of us. Ano ang long-time dream mo at paano ito nag-guide sa'yo sa lahat ng trials as well as successes mo?
Alam mo, Doc, ang dami ko talagang pangarap. Hindi ko na maalala ang iba.
Lahat, yes. Gano'n kaya kahaba? Siguro isang listahan yun.
Yun nga, I'm a dreamer. But yung pinakapangarap ko ay maging artista.
Wow! Okay.
Maging artista. Yan, sinabi ko na maging artista. So, wala nang bashing po. Kung minsan nakikita nyo ako na nagsalansangan, nag-arte-arte, gusto ko talagang maging artista dati. So gusto ko maging artista. And I want to become a fashion designer or an interior designer.
Wow.
Yeah, so bata pa ako, nag-arte-arte na ako, nagda-dramatization kami sa school. In fact, nag-audition ako for a certain sitcom and natanggap ako.
Wow, kailan yun?
That was in grade 6 pa
Grade
ako.
6, what sitcom?
Ano siya, Mama's Love. It was supposed to be aired here in Tacloban City. Kasabay yan ng mga 12 o'clock high. Naalala mo yun?
Kasi yan natin yung dream ko. Maging artista. Sumasali ako sa 12 o'clock high.
12 o'clock high?
Oo, yung sayaw ko din. S. Kate will have a good time. Oh my God.
Nakikita ka na. Ako naman, pagka nagko-commercial break, nandun na yung drama ko. Mama's Love. Pero alam mo, hindi natuloy yung airing ng sitcom because parang nagka-problem ata yung production. But we got invited to Manila, to go to Manila, to continue the shooting. But yun nga, hindi ako pinayagan ng parents ko kasi bata pa ako noon. And then, yun nga, bata.
So magiging kabatch mo nun sana Julie Vega. Ano ba yun?
Hindi,
mas
matanda si Julie.
Si Ana,
Sila, Jolina.
Oo, Jolina. Okay,
Yung mga ganon. And then, next dream ko is to become a fashion designer.
Okay.
Bata pa ako, nagdo-drawing na ako ng mga gowns. Tapos, yung lola ko is a dressmaker.
Okay.
Hinihingi ko lahat ng mga sobrang retaso. Pag
Tapos tinatahi mo.
Tapos ginagawan ko ng gown yung Barbie doll ko. Yan, dinidesign ko ng gown yung Barbie doll ko, binibihisan ko. Yun yung mga first collection ko.
Sana all my Barbie doll.
Hindi.
Wala akong Barbie doll. Grade 6 lang ako ng Barbie doll. Diregaluhan ako ng tita ko because
yaman
that was,
I'm sure you have complete set
we had
Barbie
also
doll.
humble beginnings because that was my dream also to have a Barbie doll.
Me too. Alam mo na Barbie doll ko, parang dalawa lang. Kasi
ako isa.
we cannot afford ng masyadong maraming Barbie dolls.
Kasi at that time, mahal.
Nagwa 1,000 pesos na ata isang Barbie noon, 1980s.
Diba? 80s or even early 90s. So we cannot afford those kind of dolls.
Yeah, I only had 2 Barbie dolls and hindi ako nakaka-afford bumili ng mga gowns at damit. Kasi ang mahal ng gamit ng Barbie dolls.
Yes, exactly.
Mahal ang damit.
Ngayon hindi ko pa rin alam kung magkano na siya.
Minsan 500 pesos
pa rin ba? Sige, I'll try to browse and go through yung mga tawag nito, children's shop kung magkano pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
Ganda yun. Dream ko yun. Anyway, so
and the third?
Yun yung nagde-dream ako ng mga design. And the third, maging interior designer. So, nagdodrawing ako ng mga bahay, dollhouse. Yung dollhouse, nalagyan ko kunyari ng mga bed, ng mga sofa, dining. Nagde-design ako. Yun talaga yung 3 major dreams ko.
So, that's why, ngayon, yung condo ni Brad, ikaw na yung, as you said, ikaw yung interior decorator. So, siya na yung magde-design ng bahay. So, na-shock yung interior designer.
Hindi, yung broker.
Yung broker.
Sabi ko, gusto ko ganito yung design. Ito yung peg.
Tapos lalaki yung titira. So yun. So my third question would be, paano mo sinimulan ng iyong first business? Part ba ito ng long-time dream mo or nag-evolve na rin ang mga goals mo over time, syempre?
Alam mo, Doc, sa dami ng pangarap ko, marami rin akong mga business-businessan. So, syempre, part siya sa dream ko because I want fashion, and I want to sell, I want to become an entrepreneur. So, yung mga unang negosyo ko nung bata pa ako, yun yung nagbabuy and sell ako ng mga damit at bags from Divisoria.
Saan ka bumibili doon?
Doon sa may loob.
May loob. Kasi ako din, nung college, I would save up and also buy bags along Juan Luna. Tapos dinadala ko yun every, for example, vacation. So pareho tayo, nagbibenta din. So paano yung payment sa'yo?
Ayun, syempre, pautang siya. So 1 month to pay. So bibili ako sa Divisoria, dadaling ko dito. Intern pa lang ako. Intern. Tapos pinapautang ko siya 1 month to pay. Tapos yun, nakakaipon naman ako, pangbili ng pang-shopping.
Siyempre times 2, diba?
Siyempre times 2. Times 2 agad. So pagbili ko ng 250, 500.
Tama.
Ayan. And then eventually, Doc, with the help of my mom, naggumawa kami ng isang flip-flops na brand. So para siyang, ang tawag namin, flipelas.
Flipelas.
Flip-flops, chinelas
in one.
Tapos dinidecorate namin siya, like, dinidress up namin siya, like, yung straps, kinakover namin ng satin ribbons.
So, kikay talaga.
Yes.
Oo.
With bling-blings, with gemstones, flowers. So, yan, binoborloloy namin.
Oo.
Yun talaga, yung parang feeling ko dun eh. Wow, negosyante na talaga
nag-start
ako.
na. But parang ano ba, naging short-lived ba siya? Or pinatuloy mo?
Alam mo, medyo short-lived siya eh. Kasi nag-Yolanda during that time.
Timing.
So siguro 2 years pa lang kami nag-online shop. Nag-Yolanda. And di na kami naka-continue because we had to, di ba nung Yolanda, we have to vacate. So napunta kami ng Cebu for a while. Tapos yung mga workers ko nawala. Iwa-iwalay na kami. So hindi na na-continue. But Yolanda gave birth to something really, really special to my heart. At
so,
yun ang
True Love. Ito na yun. So, very popular to during the time ng Yolanda.
Exactly. Yun nga naisip ko na when a door closes,
a window
gate opens.
Mas malaki pala. Ay, it opens. So, nakita ko rin how True Love started. Kasi I remember, ito palang na area na to. And through time, nag-add up ka na dyan, pati dyan. Yun. And it's really very Instagrammable. And we saw also the changes through time din.
Yes.
So, yun.
Yes. Because kami, we wanted to open a happy place during that time.
Yes.
So, after Yolanda, naisip ko na ano kaya ang magandang buksan na negosyo. So, that was my first talaga ever na legit business. Yung talagang may mayor's permit. May, alam mo yun, with all
so, hindi ka natakot despite yung destruction of Yolanda?
No. Actually, Yolanda inspired us to create something out of a devastated state.
Yes.
So para sa akin, it was an opportunity. For me, tragedies become opportunities.
Yes.
For business because dun mo natatanong ano yung pwede kong ma-offer sa market na kailangan ng market. So that time, I think it was more of a happy place, a place where they can forget the devastation outside, a place where loved ones can bond with each other. I want to be an empowered person na kaya kong i-earn kung ano yung gusto ko sa buhay. I'm an ambitious person. I want beautiful things. I want to see the world. And I don't like na iaasa ko sa ibang tao ang aking mga pangarap. So gusto ko siyang
i-pursue. Yes. So number 1, what we learned is, syempre, ako din, we were affected by Yolanda way back in 2000 and kailan ba yun? 13, if I remember. So, when one door closes, a window opens or a gate opens. So, in every calamity, we always believe that there is an opportunity. It's just how you view or see those destructions or yung mga pandemic na ganyan. Pero yun, we really have to work hard. So, pangalawa din, I believe that every woman should also have their own career. So importante yun because that is also for personal growth and development. And also, syempre, para din meron tayong parang sense of humility and fulfillment sa sarili natin.
Yes, tama
Importante yun.
Importante talaga yun.
So, yun. So, after True Love, how did Weaves and Bows came about?
So, after True Love, so syempre, we came to a point na True Love is stable na. Tapos,
ito din, parang secondary sa calamity din.
Yes!
Pandemic.
Yun nga. True Love was stable already and then here comes pandemic.
Yes.
Nakikita na namin dati yung upcoming pandemic in 2021. Papunta na siyang pandemic naririnig na namin yung news on TV
2020.
Yung news on TV na there's an epidemic going on in China and that there's a probability na mag-spread ito sa ibang bansa. So during that time, we were already parang bracing for something. So inisip ko, ano kaya ang magandang opportunity for us na kahit kung just in case may mangyaring
Yes.
hindi natin inaasahan, anong gagawin natin?
Oo.
Because that time naririnig na namin lockdown was already was gonna happen na and mag-start na yung lockdown.
Oo.
So naisip namin ano kaya ang magandang opportunity. So yun nga, most likely pag mag-lockdown, people will lose jobs.
Yes.
People will have no means of living. Ila-lockdown din ang restaurants and we will be one of the most affected sector, yung
Oo.
food, because bawal talaga ang kainan at halubilo.
Face to face. Oo.
Yes. So sabi ko, kausap ko naman yung mama ko,
Oo.
eto na naman kaming dalawa, creative juice bar, and then
Oo.
chika-chika kami. And then we thought of, sabi namin, what if balik tayo sa culture natin, balik tayo sa gawang Pinoy,
Oo.
tulungan natin ang mga mga
local weavers. Oo,
yan.
yun.
So yeah, we went to Basay Samar kasi ako taga Basay naman talaga, ako taga Samar kami.
So yun pala yung reason
Yes.
din why you had access
Yes.
to them also. Oo.
Exactly, pumunta kami ng Basay Samar, kinausap namin yung weavers, yung organization nila, and we were able to order a few pieces, tapos dinecorate namin siya. Again,
Yes.
yung mga bags, dinedecorate, dress up namin, linagyan namin ng mga borloloy, pinahan paint namin. So, kaya nga tinawag namin
Kaya
ng
nga,
Vincent
dun
Rose.
kita na-admire yung creativity and artistry. My God, gave life. You gave life to a... Yes. Yung, alam mo yung mga local weaved bags, hindi ko masabi, but I really admire Coke. She gave life to it.
Ay, thank you.
Hand-painted. So imagine mo, and then wini-weave pa nila isa-isa yun. Ay, hindi, nilalagyan yung parang may mga
May mga
may designs.
may mga
yes.
pom-poms, tassels,
Yun.
hand painting, beadwork. So, iba-iba siya. So, kaya nga tinawag namin na weaves and bows kasi woven bags, weaves for the woven bags, and the bows represents berloloy.
But at the same time,
Ikaynes.
ano talaga yun? Yung handmade.
Yeah, handmade.
Oo, lahat.
By
So, ibig sabihin, wala kang kapareho.
Handmade by local artisans.
Yes.
And dinesign din ng mga din natin, ng mga taga dito din sa atin.
But at the same time, aside from the handmade of the local artisans, yung mga designs nyo rin na sarili nyong kamay yung ginagamit.
Exactly. Kasi yung mom ko, mahilig talaga siya sa crafting.
Yes.
So, siya yung gumagawa ng mga flowers, ng mga ribbons. There was a time when we were trying to make plushy flowers for the woven bags. And since wala na kasi may customer sa True Love, tapos kulang na din, nag-skeletal na din yung mga empleyado namin. So, kulang din sweldo nila. Minsan yung isang waiter namin, pinapagawa ko na rin siya ng flowers para lang kumita.
Yes, correct.
So
we have to be very creative.
Yes, I pay them a certain amount for every flower na nagagawa niya. Pre-practice niya, nagtatahi siya ng flower.
Baka
Tapos
ito na
yung
yun.
flower na part na rin yan.
Ito na yun yung flower.
Tapos
Love it.
ina-attach namin sa mga bags. So gawa ng waiter namin or ng kapitbahay. Or, alam mo na.
That's why very personalized because it's handmade.
Yes, correct.
So wala talaga siyang tawag nito kagaya. So each has their own uniqueness or parang story.
Exactly. Kaya
parang hindi siya bulk
Hindi.
Hindi siya bulk na production.
Exactly. Kaya
talagang dugot at pawis. Oo, yun.
May nagtatanong sa amin na clients nga, why? Bakit isa lang? Bakit hindi kayo mag-produce ng marami? Not available na naman. Sasabihin namin, ma'am, we only produce one of a kind, one of each kind, or two of each kind. Because we want every piece to have its own story, every piece to have to be unique on its own, at wala ka ng iba na kapareho nun.
And that's why when they ask, why is it expensive? I think it has its price also. Kasi kagaya ng mga signatured bags natin, yon, di ba yung iba, what I mean is, syempre, yung H, it's also handmade.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Oo. That's why, yung mga creations nyo rin, dahil personalized, so it also comes with a price.
Exactly.
And that people should understand that.
Exactly. Kaya minsan, ako nga, we try to adjust. Here at Weaves and Bows, since dito po tayo nakabase sa Tacloban, we adjust our price sa local natin na market. So, kung manonotice po natin ng viewers natin, yung prices naman ng Weaves and Bows, naka-level sa local natin.
Yes.
It's like half of how much you will get it nationwide. Like kung pumunta kayo ng Manila or Cebu, it's half the price.
Yes.
So we understand that we need to cater to our beloved Taclobanans and Taga-Eastern
But
Visayas.
ang maganda, it can also be exported.
Yes, definitely.
Kasi yun nga sabi mo, di ba? One of each kind.
It was an accidental, Doc, na discovery kasi that time, during the pandemic, people were just staying at home, lounging sa bahay, or minsan
siya naman mag-lounge
lang sa bahay. Another inspiration sa kaftan natin is that you can wear it from day to night, night to day. You can wear it for a party, for just to watch a movie.
Yes. Hindi pwedeng magpatalo sa agos ng buhay or any problems that we encounter.
Ano ba tayo, Gen X?
XYZ.
Hindi na ako maging fashion designer, hindi na ako magkaka-own label, hindi na ako magiging what I wanna become, lalong hindi artista.